Hey guys, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. You know, there's been a lot of tutorials on Nano Banana and how it relates to Photoshop, but right now I just want to show you a quick comparison between the Nano Banana and the Generative Fill in Photoshop. So if you open up firefly.adobe.com/generate/image, you'll come up with this page. And for its model, click Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, which is Nano Banana. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload an image here from my device. And let's choose this photo here, which is a guy with a bicycle. It's pretty complex. I mean, the spokes in the bike. And I'll click Open. And in the prompt, I'll write, place a retro-looking robot directly behind the man. Yeah, I butchered the spelling. If you misspell a word or two, no worries. In most cases, it's intelligent enough to know what we mean. After you click Generate, if it's not generating any images, more than likely you've run out of generative credits, in which case, click Get Credits. This will open a page that allows us to buy credits monthly or annually. It has 3 plans to choose from. It generally takes Firefly anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds to generate an image. To download it, click the download icon, as well as the download icon on whatever browser you're using. Click the top file. I'll minimize my browser. I'll open the Nano Banana image we created in Firefly. I'll right-click the image and go to Open With and click Photoshop. To fit an image onto your canvas, press Ctrl or Command 0. It generated the robot behind the spokes and the wheel, and even casted a shadow of the man onto the robot. The lighting, brightness, contrast, and color cast are spot on. I went ahead and prompted Nano Banana to change the man's shirt color to green. It picked a green that matches the tonal characteristics of the rest of the image. Also, notice it didn't alter the position of the arms. It kept the style of the shirt and even kept the black strap around the shirt. Now, we'll generate a robot using Generative Fill, as well as changing the shirt's color to green. And then we'll compare it to the image we created in Nano Banana. I'll open the original photo and open the lasso tool. I'll draw a shape over the area where the robot was placed in the other image. If the contextual taskbar isn't open, go to Window and click Contextual Taskbar. I'll click Generative Fill. I'll type in the same prompt as I did for Nano Banana. Then I'll click Enter or Return. It takes Photoshop about 15 seconds or so to generate 3 versions. Spoiler alert! Nano Banana is much better. It just is. It doesn't really do a great job, you know. First of all, it doesn't look that retro. It looks kind of cartoony. Let's see how good it is changing the shirt's color. I'll make a selection around the shirt with the lasso tool and click Generative Fill. I'll type in the same simple prompt that I used in Nano Banana, and I'll click Enter. I'll fast forward. In the first one it made, it altered the shoulder of the man, brought the angle of his arms a bit forward, and got rid of the strap over his chest altogether. This one is far too bright and again, no strap. The third one kept the strap, but changed the shirt to short sleeves. So, yeah, I mean, you know, Nano Banana, it's just simply much better. Anyway, I just wanted to update you and show you the comparisons. Again, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Take care.